Hey guys, still working on the rock track, so let's jump back in. Alright, I'm going to jump back into this rock track. I think I'm going to start just by going to add some space to the mix. Right now we've got it pretty mixed, but need to add some room sounds and some reverb to the vocals and stuff like that. So let's go. I try to hide from your presence. Waxmen melt at your feet. These drip away. I try to run from your presence. You know, for this part, before we get into the space stuff, I wonder if I can add a double bass and then just, let's see. See if we can distort it a little bit. So for this one, I'm just going to delete this EQ. Gonna remove that. And we'll change the compressor. Let's just start from scratch. Okay, so we have our bass. Let's just focus on the high end. Maybe we can get that kind of like corn sound going, you know, but not that hardcore. Let's see what the nollie does to it. Okay, we didn't want to turn it into a guitar, but it's good to know the nollie has that ability. See what these sound like together. These rags I wear, you'll strip away. Though waxmen melt at your feet. These rags I wear, you'll strip away. Though waxmen melt at your feet. I wear, you'll strip away. Though waxmen melt at your feet. These rags I wear, you'll strip away. I don't know, maybe we just need to add some highs back into this one. I don't feel like that's working that well. Let's
where you'll strip away the waxman melt at your feet. These rags I wear, you'll strip away the waxman melt at your feet.
Okay, we're gonna leave that like that for now, and then let's go start to build our room sound. So I'll start with the drums. Let's see. Let's find a nice tom section.
But you love me all the same. You've seen my shame. But you love me all the same. You've seen my shame. But you love me all the same. You've seen my shame. But you love me all the same. You've seen my shame. But you love me all the same. You've seen my shame. But you love me all the
See what drum chamber sounds like.
You've seen my shame, but you love me all the same. You've seen my shame. Love me all the same. You've seen my shame, but you love me all the same. You've seen my shame, but you love me all the same. You've seen my shame, but you love me all the
I don't know if I'm feeling that. Let's try a different one. Let's try Tom Room.
But you love me all the same. You've seen my shame.
Yeah, I think that's a little bit better.
But you love me all the same. You've seen my shame. But you love me all the same. You've seen my shame.
I'm just EQing the reverb now. I don't want there to be any super highs or any lows that build up and kind of rumble in there.
You've seen my shame, but you love me all the same.
give it to the. And I only add a little tiny bit of the kick to the drum room because you want the kick to be pretty dry. I think I'm going to go ahead and pan these whenever this one comes in instead of whenever the rhythm guitars come in.
With unveiled face, you know my frame, but you love me all the same. You've seen my shame, but you called me anyway. The waxmen melt at your feet. These rags I wear, you'll strip away. I try to run from your presence, but as I let go, I wish to stay. You know my frame, but you love me all the same. You've seen my shame, but you called me anyway. You know my frame, but you love me all the same. You've seen my shame, but you called me anyway. You know my frame, but you love me all the same. You've seen my shame, but you called me anyway. You know my.
Okay. Let's see, you might just be able to add the guitars to the similar room. Not too much, not as much as the drums, of course.
Know my frame, but you love me all the same. You've seen my shame, but you me anyway. You know my frame, but you love me all the same. You've seen my shame, but you called me anyway. You know my frame, but you love me all the same.
Okay. Getting closer.
These rags are